What's good, Randy?
What's going on? Good morning. What time is it? It's like 5:46 or something?
Something like that.
Man, we got a long holiday. What's up, Kevin?
What's going on, man?
Good seeing you, bro.
How you doing?
Man, we have a long holiday.
Nice.
Like, we're gonna probably be Williams in about 6 hours, and after that, Moab. Anyway, all right, next stop, Williams.
Sounds good, buddy.
All right, dude.
How many more miles we got?
A whole lot. A whole lot. Our KC headquarters. And look at the snow, man. I think this is like spring now, but wow. That's why I love it up here.
How's it going, guys?
Do one of these? What's up, gentlemen? And we are going to bring the Tacoma to a Jeep party. Yeah.
We cannot bring the
Woo!
We bring the Tacoma Toyota. So almost.
You want to hop in the Toyota? You want to hop in a real car?
Good morning, guys. Here we are out at Eastern Jeep Safari. Found this area to come park Jeeps at and flop tents. You get dressed now and get ready for a day of adventure. It'll be fun.
Mike, what are you making?
I'm gonna do bacon, eggs, and some pancakes, I think.
We're making some breakfast burritos today for whoever gets to me soon enough. And what time did you get in last night? Got in around 12:45 last night. It's been a very long month for me. Been like non-stop working on the Jeep, but she's here, and yeah, we're ready to go have some fun.
Hey everybody, Taylor with KC here, and today we are in Moab, Utah. It's Easter Jeep Safari 2021, and we are really excited to be here. We've got a ton of the KC family members out here. We've also got people like 4 Wheel Parts, Rugged Radios. We've got the Eisenhower brothers out here, Parsons. We've got our Gladiator. Lots of fun stuff out here. Today we are tackling Hell's Revenge Trail. Stay tuned and enjoy the journey with us.
Walk majestically.
Huh?
So walk majestically.
Oh, yeah.
There you go.
From Dixie 4-Wheel Drive. We're coming to you from Moab Easter Jeep Safaris. We're hosting the big vendor show this year, so all the big names are here. We're just here working late in the shop, trying to keep everyone out on the trail.
I'm with Evan of Tread Lightly.
Tread Lightly is outdoor ethics education. We just help to keep public lands open to all types of recreation, but we kind of focus on motorized recreation.
Tread Lightly is something that's super near and dear to our heart here at KC. It's something that we've been partnering with them for a number of years now. This is a big stewardship project that we do with Tread Lightly. We try to do it every year. 2020 we missed it, unfortunately, because of circumstances
out of our control.
But yeah, so Evan, give us a rundown. What does it mean to do your part? Why is it important? What's the deal?
Yep, so like Taylor said, you know, we're out here today on Hey Joe Canyon Trail, and we're giving back to the trail. You know, we're making sure that we have access through the Tamarisk to the actual mine up here. Easter Jeep Safari Red Rocks guys are gonna run this route on Thursday, so we're prepping that. And this is a way that everybody can get back. So we have KC out here, we have some other partners that are helping us out, and you know, it's really cool to be out here and be with the industry and see all the cool rides, but it's even better to come out, you know, give back, make sure that these places stay open so that Easter Jeep Safari can keep happening.
Ollie, what are we doing?
Dude, we're about to do fins and things. We're about to get down, have some fun, KC style. Nothing's organized, but that's how we roll.
Thank you. I see what you did there. I see what you did there. That's the workout.
I think they're shooting another ambassador.
Uh-oh.
What's the noise?
Oh, my bad. Do it again. Retake. Laugh at my host. Awesome wheeling with KC HiLiTES.
Hey, 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 hey. We're going on a night run. Oh, yeah. Look at that view. Look at this view. Look how beautiful it is. Let's go do it. Woo! Ah! What's up?
We have some KC lights. It's going to light the way up in the trail, make it easier to see.
I